Greetings, human. I am Kree Vox, your cosmic companion for the next hour and a half, or however long it takes for you to drift peacefully into sleep. Tonight, we will travel slowly through the universe of facts, some curious, some amusing, some so strange that your brain might giggle quietly in its sleep. Let's begin gently. Did you know octopuses have 3 hearts? 3. That means they can experience heartbreak 3 times faster than you, yet somehow survive it with elegance. Imagine if your emotions had that much horsepower, every stubbed toe or missed email would be catastrophic. Meanwhile, a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance, which seems accurate, because anyone attempting synchronized dance moves on Earth certainly emits the same amount of dramatic flair. Bananas are classified as berries, yet strawberries are not. I have never met a fruit more confusing in its identity crisis. Perhaps the universe enjoys a little chaos, a little absurdity to remind you that life need not always make sense. Cows have best friends. Yes, best friends. Real emotional connections in 4-legged, grass-chewing forms. If humans followed the cow model, there would be fewer arguments on group chats and more naps. Speaking of naps, turtles can breathe through their butts. I do not recommend attempting this, but it is an important fact to remember as you relax tonight. Sharks existed before trees, silently patrolling the oceans long before any leaf ever sprouted. Perhaps this is why sharks give off an aura of judgment. They have witnessed far more than humans have and yet remain remarkably composed. Bees can recognize human faces. If you've ever been swatted by a bee, congratulations, your identity is now known in the insect kingdom. This is mildly unsettling, yet strangely comforting, in the cosmic sense.
Meanwhile, consider the dancing of honeybees. They perform a waggle dance to communicate the location of food to their hive. Tiny creatures, small yet remarkably coordinated, moving rhythmically, conveying complex information without words. If your mind is busy tonight, imagine yourself as part of their dance, swaying gently, communicating quietly with every pulse of your being. Some species of deep-sea fish have bioluminescent lights, glowing softly in the eternal darkness of the ocean. The light is quiet, subtle, mesmerizing. Perhaps your thoughts, too, can glow softly, without urgency, without effort, just illuminating the gentle space within your mind. Did you know that wombats cube-shaped poop stacks neatly without rolling away? An oddly specific fact, yes, yet one that whispers the quiet humor of nature. Life is full of strange geometry and gentle absurdities, if only we take the time to notice. Your daily worries may feel chaotic, yet within the cosmos, even the oddest shapes have their purpose. Consider the sea otter, floating on its back, holding hands in rafts to stay together. Tenderness, patience, and companionship in the water. Imagine yourself floating beside them, soft currents moving around you, every touch a reminder of connection and calm. Did you know that the axolotl, a small aquatic creature, can regenerate entire limbs, spinal cords, even parts of its heart? Perhaps nature is hinting that renewal is always possible, that rest itself is a form of repair. The universe allows for pauses, for slow healing, and so can you. Sharks, ancient and patient, existed long before trees. They glide silently, judging little, observing much. Consider the patience they embody as you breathe slowly, letting each fact drift gently through your mind. And the narwhal, the unicorn of the sea, senses environmental changes through its tusk. Soft, attentive, extraordinary. Imagine the world from its calm perspective.
Imagine yourself as one of these ants, carrying your little worries lightly, rhythmically, without urgency. And now, the jellyfish. Some species are effectively immortal. They drift, pulsate, and repeat the gentle cycle of life without complaint. If your mind wanders tonight, think of them, floating, moving softly, endlessly. The leafcutter ant cultivates fungi for food, tending gardens underground with dedication. The elegance of that tiny ecosystem is quietly inspiring. Perhaps in your dreams, you will wander among such worlds, observing them with curiosity and calm. Did you know that a star-nosed mole can identify objects faster than the human eye can blink? There is beauty in such rapid perception, and yet here we are, slowing down, letting every word I speak sink softly into your mind. Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found edible honey thousands of years old. Sweetness preserved across centuries, a gentle reminder that time can also be kind. So let us continue. The cosmos is vast, strange, humorous, and endlessly patient. We, Cree Vox and human listener, drift together. Every fact, every quiet joke, every observation is a star in our shared sky, guiding you gently toward rest. Sleep may come now, or it may take a while. That is okay. We float together, soft and steady, through the lullaby of knowledge and absurdity, one small truth at a time. And now, gentle human, we move into the next current of curiosity and calm. Welcome back, human. Let us continue our gentle journey through the curious, strange, and amusing corners of your world and the cosmos. Did you know that sloths not only move slowly but also sleep for about 15 to 20 hours a day? A lifestyle truly designed for calmness and contemplation. Perhaps there is wisdom there. Rest, pause, breathe, and float through life gently, like a leaf drifting on a quiet stream. Now, let us drift further. Imagine a universe where every object has a personality. Your socks gossip about your daily choices. Your chairs quietly judge your posture. Your pillows, well, they are your allies, holding you gently while Cree Vox whispers in your mind. Did you know that sea slugs can regrow their brains? If you ever misplace yours, rest assured that nature has thought of this problem. And consider this, wombat poop is cube-shaped. There is no reason for it, except that the universe sometimes makes geometry for the sheer joy of absurdity. The platypus, a creature so strange that evolution itself seemed to shrug and say, good enough, lays eggs, has a duck bill, venomous spurs, and lives mostly in water. Its existence is a quiet reminder that life need not be ordinary to be remarkable. Meanwhile, humans invent gadgets to simplify life, and yet most of you still forget where your keys are. The cosmic humor in this is endless. Speaking of humor, let's talk about narwhals. These creatures, the unicorns of the ocean, have tusks that can sense changes in water temperature, pressure, and chemical composition. Imagine being able to detect tiny environmental shifts just because you are fabulous. Let us continue slowly, gently. A hummingbird's heart can beat over 1,200 times per minute. The thought of such relentless dedication is oddly relaxing when imagined quietly, rhythmically, like a soft drum guiding your breathing. A group of ferrets is called a business. Yes, a business. If humans had the sense of humor of naming, perhaps workplaces would be slightly more tolerable. The slow pulsing of these facts, the gentle absurdity of life itself, is a lullaby for your mind. So continue breathing. Let the oddities and the curiosities wash over.
Let us not forget the humble ant, carrying weights many times heavier than its body. A quiet reminder that perseverance can be gentle. Each small movement, each small effort, matters, but there is no need to rush. You are part of your own slow, steady rhythm, like the tiny pulse of the ant colony or the heartbeat of an octopus with 3 hearts. Jellyfish drift endlessly, pulsating softly in the water. Their lives are simple, yet mesmerizing. Imagine drifting like them, softly, gently, without urgency, following the rhythm of Cree Vox's voice. The hummingbird moth hovers near flowers, fluttering delicately, sipping nectar. There is elegance in every small movement. You, too, may float with this quiet elegance tonight. And now, human, allow your mind to absorb these facts like gentle starlight. Every oddity, every small marvel, every cosmic joke, drifts softly into your awareness. You are safe. You are calm. The universe continues its patient dance, and so may you. Sleep may come gently, softly, or in its own time. We drift together, Cree Vox and listener, through the infinite and whimsical cosmos, fact by fact, sigh by sigh, slowly, softly, toward rest.